Ma, alam mo naman na yung pangarap natin, eto na, dumating na yung special day na hinihintay natin. Alam mo naman na almost 5 years nating pinagplanuhan to.
Sa 5 taon natin, sobrang natutuwa ako kasi never mo akong pinakita ang manloko o babae. So natutuwa ako dahil alam kong ikaw na yung magiging forever ko. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Iyak na.
Thank you sa pagmamalasakit, sa pag-intindi, at saka kahit papaano, kung di man tayo nagkakasundo minsan, hindi tayo nag-iiwanan, and yun, stay together and happy wedding sa atin. I love you. Enjoy natin yung day kasama yung mga taong nandito at mga kamag-anak. Love you, and I'm happy na ikaw yung mapapangasawa ko, and sana I'm going to be your good husband.
Here in the valley of my soul, when I am lost and all alone, through the shadows I can see your love is chasing after me. You cross the canyons of my fears, over the oceans of my tears.
Natutuwa ako kasi sa lahat ng bagay ng mga problema gusto ko nang sumuko. Pero ikaw, lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na tatapusin natin ang problema pero hindi ang relasyon. Sobrang nakaka-touch pag naririnig ko yung sinasabi mong yun. Ayoko na. Ayoko umiyak.
Your love will never stop, never stop, never stop. Your love will never stop chasing after me. Your love will never stop, never stop, never stop. Your love will never stop chasing after me. You are the sun upon my skin. You are the moon that pulls me in, closer than the air I breathe. Your love is chasing after me. Oh, no mountain higher, no river wider. My heart may wander, your love will never stop chasing after me. Your love will never stop, never stop, never stop. Your love will never stop chasing after me. Your love will never stop, never stop, never stop. Your love will never stop chasing after me.
Robin.